11th and Marquette.
Wait until you see what we have here. We have a Dover Impulse. Here it
You
comes.
brought me all the way here to see a Dover Impulse.
There's something kind of cool about it.
Look at the drop key.
The lack of one.
What's so cool about this?
Look up.
Oh, Lagerquist. With obnoxious fame.
Skyway.
Is that a typo?
Skyway.
Hold on, let me do for a video still. There we go.
Go out the window.
Phone. Cool coach. Is that a fake security camera?
I don't know, I waved at it.
Let me see here. I'll wave at it too.
Skyway. There's my thumbnail right there. But look at this. Cool. I'm gonna get some pictures of this. There it goes.
And
That'll be it.
that'll be it.